Pop-Tarts have been a breakfast staple since 1964, evolving from a simple toaster treat into a beloved snack that's perfect for any time of the day. From the first sugary bite to the warm, gooey center, Pop-Tarts have become synonymous with convenience and comfort. And leading the charge in this delicious phenomenon is none other than Kellogg's, producing over 200 million packs every year. Behind the scenes, it all starts with the dedication of thousands of workers in factories across the country, creating the perfect balance of flaky crust and sweet filling. But turning these iconic pastries into the treat you know and love is no small feat. Get ready to see just how this tasty treat is made, step by step, from the oven to your toaster. Hello Internet! Welcome to Process Hub, the channel that uncovers the real stories behind the world's most iconic foods, starting with the frosted, toaster-ready magic of Pop-Tarts. The journey of a Pop-Tart starts with its ingredients. A Pop-Tart has three main parts: the crust, the filling, and the icing. Each part uses carefully chosen ingredients to make sure the taste and quality stay the same. Even small changes in the ingredients can affect the taste and texture. From the grain to the glaze, every ingredient is checked to meet the brand's high standards. The crust is the main part of the Pop-Tart. It's made from wheat flour, water, vegetable oil, sugar, and a little salt. The flour comes from trusted suppliers to make sure the texture is smooth and perfect for making many Pop-Tarts. Vegetable oil, usually a mix of palm and soybean oils, helps make the crust flaky. A careful mix of sugar and salt gives the crust a light sweetness without hiding the filling. Every batch of dough is mixed and rolled to the right thickness, making sure the crust crisps up nicely when baked. The filling gives each Pop-Tart its unique flavor, ranging from fruity options like strawberry to dessert flavors like chocolate fudge. Fruit fillings use concentrated juices, purees, sugar, and pectin to get the right thickness, while dessert fillings use cocoa, milk, and other ingredients for a smooth texture. Each ingredient is carefully checked to make sure the flavor, sweetness, and texture are just right. Once ready, the filling is carefully placed on the crust in an even layer to make every bite the same. Icing is the final touch, adding both flavor and decoration. It's made from powdered sugar, water, and stabilizers to make sure it sticks well to the pastry and stays bright. Colorful sprinkles are chosen to meet Kellogg's standards, making each Pop-Tart look good. The icing is carefully applied in a controlled way to avoid smudging and make sure each pastry gets a perfect coating. Every ingredient goes through strict quality checks. From the flour to the sprinkles, these checks make sure everything meets the standards for the consistent, high-quality taste Pop-Tarts are known for. These quality control steps help keep the brand's reputation for making tasty and dependable products that customers can trust. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, the process starts by making the dough for the crust. Large mixers combine the flour, water, sugar, and oils into a smooth dough. Workers keep a close eye on the mixing time and speed because mixing too much can make the crust tough, while not mixing enough can make it uneven. This step helps create the flaky and strong structure of the pastry. The mixed dough is then sent to automatic rolling machines. These machines flatten the dough into thin sheets, making sure the thickness is even across the whole batch. Laser sensors watch and adjust the rollers to get the right thickness, which helps balance the crust's strength and texture. This consistency is important to keep the quality the same during production. After rolling, the dough sheets are cut into long strips and placed on conveyor belts. The strips are checked for evenness before moving to the next step. Any differences are fixed, showing Kellogg's focus on reducing waste and ensuring quality. This stage shows the mix of machines and human checks in today's food production. The dough strips are carefully prepared for the next important step: filling and shaping the Pop-Tarts. This begins the assembly process, where the familiar shapes and flavors come together. Each strip is lined up on a conveyor, passing through stations where different fillings, like fruity and dessert options, are added in controlled amounts. The fillings are placed in the center of each strip, ensuring a good balance of flavor and texture once the pastry is sealed. This automated process keeps the quality and precision that make Pop-Tarts special. With the dough ready, it's time to add the filling. Conveyor belts move the dough strips under special nozzles that drop the right amount of filling onto each strip. These machines are set to make sure the filling is evenly spread, avoiding any spills or underfilled pastries. The filling's consistency is key to making sure the Pop-Tarts taste just right. Once the filling is added, the other half of the dough strip is folded over to seal the filling inside. Special machines press the edges together, creating the ridged border we all recognize. This seal keeps the filling in place during baking and gives the pastry its neat look. Any extra dough is trimmed off and recycled to reduce waste. Before going into the ovens, each pastry gets small holes on the surface. These holes help the crust stay flat and let steam escape, keeping the filling inside. This step helps maintain Pop-Tart's look and texture. The shaped pastries are then carefully checked one last time before they go into the oven. These inspections make sure that each Pop-Tart is sealed and filled correctly, maintaining the high standards that customers expect from Kellogg's. The filled and sealed Pop-Tarts are now ready for baking. They pass through long conveyor ovens that stretch for hundreds of feet. These ovens have different sections, each with carefully controlled temperatures to guide the baking. The heat first firms up the dough, then later gives the Pop-Tarts their golden brown color and flaky texture. The conveyor belts move at the right speed to make sure each Pop-Tart gets the right amount of heat in every part of the oven. This whole process is made to keep every batch consistent and perfect. The baking process is carefully timed. Workers keep an eye on the pastries, using sensors and visual checks to make sure they bake evenly. If they don't spend enough time in the oven, the crust won't cook right. But if they bake too long, the filling can dry out. The smell of warm pastries fills the factory, showing that the batch is almost done. The ovens also have smart technology that adjusts the temperature, making sure each Pop-Tart is baked perfectly for the right crispness and flavor. After baking, the pastries are cooled on conveyor belts before moving to the next step. This cooling is important because it helps the pastries set and keeps the crust flaky. It also gets them ready for the icing, preventing the frosting from melting. The cooling process is carefully timed to make sure the crust is firm, but not too hard, so the texture and flavor stay just right. After baking, the Pop-Tarts go through another round of checks to make sure they're all the same in color, texture, and size. These inspections ensure that every pastry meets the high standards of the Pop-Tarts brand. Inspectors use both machines and manual checks to confirm the pastries look and taste just right before moving on to the icing or packaging. After baking, the Pop-Tarts are cooled to the right temperature for icing. This process makes sure they are firm enough to handle but still keep their soft texture. Once cooled, a special machine applies an even layer of icing on each pastry. The machine is set to ensure the frosting is the same thickness and covers every pastry evenly. This helps make sure each Pop-Tart looks good and tastes great. For some varieties, extra machines add colorful sugar crystals or drizzle icing in fun patterns. These machines can create different designs, giving each pastry a playful look. The toppings not only make the pastries look better, but also add more sweetness and texture. Timing is key. Pastries need to be warm enough for the icing to stick, but cool enough to keep its shape. This balance ensures the pastries are both pretty and ready to eat. The icing and decorating process mixes machines and human oversight. While machines do most of the work, inspectors check the results to make sure every Pop-Tart looks and tastes great. They make sure the icing is even and the overall quality meets Kellogg's standards. This step shows the brand's commitment to making Pop-Tarts that are both tasty and good-looking, ensuring customers get the same great experience every time. For unfrosted Pop-Tarts, this step is skipped. These pastries go straight to packaging, showing how flexible the production line is. The line can easily switch between making frosted and unfrosted Pop-Tarts, making sure both types are made correctly and quickly. unfrosted Pop-Tarts still go through strict quality checks to meet Kellogg's standards before being packaged and shipped. Before reaching consumers, every batch of Pop-Tarts goes through strict quality checks. Automated scanners find problems with shape, size, and icing, making sure everything is uniform. These systems catch even the smallest defects. After that, human inspectors check the texture, flavor, and look of the Pop-Tarts, making sure nothing is missed. This mix of machines and people ensures that only the best Pop-Tarts make it to store shelves, so consumers get a product they can trust. Once approved, the Pop-Tarts are wrapped in airtight foil packets to keep them fresh and safe from moisture, light, and other factors that could affect their quality. The packaging is made to keep the pastries at their best for as long as possible. Each packet shows the flavor and expiration date, making sure customers get a high-quality product every time they buy a box. The wrapped Pop-Tarts are carefully packed into boxes and ready for shipment. The packaging is made strong to prevent damage during transport. Kellogg's distribution system ensures the pastries get to stores around the world on time, using tracking systems to keep track of shipments. This step shows the care needed to deliver billions of Pop-Tarts each year, ensuring they reach customers fresh and on time. Next time you enjoy a Pop-Tart, remember there's a lot more to it than just the sweet, flaky pastry. From the carefully chosen ingredients to the precise factory process and final touches, every step ensures you get the same tasty experience with every bite. Now that you've got the inside scoop on how Pop-Tarts are made, we want to know, what's your favorite flavor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.